Okay, so we're going to talk about what a version is in Lightroom Mobile. This is one of their new features, and what it allows you to do is make multiple copies and multiple edits, different things on each copy. So each picture is a different version. Maybe I wanted this picture, but I can't tell if I want it in black and white or color. This allows me to do that. So I'm going to go to all photos, picking a photo, and then I scroll across the bottom to the area called version. So I want to keep an original copy of this. So I'm just going to keep this first one, and you'll see it's got two areas, named and auto. It is my advice that you absolutely go with named. So you are going to create a version, and this is going to be what I call black and white edit. And all I need to put is black, white, and hit create. Okay, so now I'm going to go apply. And now I can go in to that edit, color, go to the black and white tool, and now I can say, okay, I've got a black and white edit. So, all right, so that's good. So now let's go back to version. Oops, actually I did it wrong. So let me go named. I'm going to name it. I want to create a version of that. That's what should have been called black and white. Black, white, create. So now I have black and white. This one right here, that's a problem. I'm going to see about throwing that one out. Delete it. Permanently delete. That's fine. So now I have the original, I have the black and white, and I have a current copy. Well, I want to go actually back to the original. And now I want to do some other types of edits on it. Let's say I want to do something with the light edits. I want to bring the exposure down so it gets a little bit darker, so it's sort of ominous. And I'm going to somewhat desaturate, but not completely, so I'm going to make it sort of black and white looking. And then I'm also going to add a vignette around it. Like it's a small spotlight that helps get rid of some of those details. So now let's go down here, back to versions. I want to create a version of this. This is going to be called Spooky Vignette. And then the last thing I would tell you is, of course, you can type in whatever name you want, but the reason for the name is so that you can remember the edit, not just so that it has a name, okay? So when you are creating the names, I would highly suggest that as you name them, you do it based on the type of edit so that you can always go back and get that edit again. Hit apply, now we're done.